Speculation has intensified in Odisha political circles over a possible understanding between the Biju Janata Dal and the Congress for the upcoming Rajya Sabha elections. Odisha Pradesh Congress Committee President Bhakta Charan Das is likely to meet leader of opposition and BJD Supremo Naveen Patnaik in the first week of February. Bhakta Charan Das has sought an appointment with Naveen Patnaik and is expected to propose a joint candidate for the Rajya Sabha polls. He has said discussions will focus on forging unity against the BJP. According to him, both parties may consider sending a distinguished personality from Odisha to the upper house. While it is not yet clear whether the BJD will extend support, the Congress plans to formally seek its backing. Notably, 4 Rajya Sabha seats from Odisha are set to fall vacant, and political attention is now centered on the 4th seat, which continues to remain a subject of intense speculation. The political stand of both BJD and Congress is being closely watched ahead of the crucial elections.
कांग्रेस आमे दल भितर प्रार्थी दे पारू किंबा आज देखंतु वर्तमान परिस्थिति अछि आमे विरोधी दल बीजेडी भी विरोधी दल दुई दल मिसले गोटे कैंडिडेट जीति पारिबो आमे देले सेमान समर्थन करबे कि नै डाउट से माने समर्थन देले आमे समर्थन करबो डाउट से राजनीतिक तालमेल नाही मु सेटा कथा विरोधी एक हवे न हवे मु कहि पारिबे नै किंतु मु तांको समय मागिछि तांको मिसिक आलोचना करबा पे